Hello scholars, I'm going to show you how to access our distance learning classroom page if you are not on one of Circle City Prep's Chromebooks. So in the bar, you are going to type in bit.ly/CCPDLC. And it is important that these are in all caps. And then you'll hit enter. And here we are at our distance learning page. From the home page, we have a message from Miss Murphy. And as she puts out new letters to families, this will be updated. If we continue scrolling down, this packet was emailed out to families, and it is all about the distance learning plan. So you can see the entire packet here by just scrolling down within this window. At the bottom, there are also some academic links to some outside sources for you to continue learning. You can click on any of these boxes to be taken to those pages. So if we go back up to the top, there are two places you can click to get to your grades page. You can either click this red bar right here, or you can click up at the top. So let's go into first grade. You'll see on first grade that there are 4 weeks that we are planning right now. There aren't any links for week 2, 3, or 4 yet, but if you see, if I hover over the picture or if I hover over these words, I'm able to click on one of those. So let's click into week 1. So this is week 1's page. In week 1 at the very top, every week you're always going to find guided reading. You're going to find Lexia, and this will take you to Lexia. And you're going to find Zearn Math, which is our new math platform. So we're no longer using ST Math. And if you click here, it'll take you to the Zearn login. Under guided reading, these are links to your guided reading groups based on your color. So at 10 a.m. or 1 p.m. or 3 p.m. each day, you will click on this link and you will join your classmates in a guided reading session with one of your teachers. If we keep scrolling down, we don't have any links yet, but you will see next to Read Aloud over here, there's going to be a link for Monday's video, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The same for science, writing, and physical education. There will be a video for each day that you can click, and it'll open up that YouTube video so you can watch that lesson. At the very bottom, there's what's called Community Circle, and this will have a link to a page that will open up a video call with either Mr. Vaughn or with Mr. M, and you'll be able to talk to them and other scholars that join you on that call so that you can see some of your friends while you are on your computer. If you don't know, under guided reading, if you don't know what color you are, that's what this final tab up here at the top is for. That says GR Colors. That stands for Guided Reading Colors. If I click on that, it's going to bring up a sheet that has everybody on here by their first name and what color they're on. So you'll be able to find your name and know which color you are going to click on to join your guided reading group. I hope this helps make sense of some of the information on here. I will be continuously updating this page, so you'll be able to find more information on here as it becomes available. One of the places I think that I'll be updating really often is going to be at the very bottom of our homepage with these academic links. So as we find new great websites, we'll add them to the bottom of our homepage. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher, and they will help answer you and be able to direct you in the right place to get to the links that you need. So thank you all, and I hope this goes smoothly, and I hope you are all staying safe and healthy.